Hello and welcome to PMCLounge.com. Ever wondered what are the most popular and least popular certifications offered by PMI? In this video, I am going to share the 5 most popular certifications that PMI offers and 5 that are least popular certifications offered by PMI, of course. And when I say popular, we are essentially looking at the number of active holders of these certifications. What this means is when you obtain a certification, you need to report certain PDUs to PMI to ensure that your certification remains active and valid. So, what are the certifications where people not only obtain them but also continue to report PDUs so that their certification remains active and valid? By the way, a quick thing here, if you are a PMP certified professional and you do not report PDUs to PMI and you do not renew your PMP certification, you are no longer considered an active PMP holder. And on your email signatures, in your resume, you should not be mentioning that you are a PMP certified professional because you were a PMP certified professional. You stopped reporting PDUs and this certification is not active for you anymore. All right, so let's talk about the top 5 most popular and least popular certifications. So, what we are referring to is known as the PMI fact file, and PMI publishes this every month. So, the data that we see in this fact file is still 31st of December 2023. So, this is pretty much the latest that we have. All right, so it talks about the total number of members and then countries and all that is fine, but what we are interested in is this data. Certifications, and under certifications, how many active holders do we have? Topping the list at number 1 is PMP. No surprises here. PMP is the most popular certification from PMI, and there are over 1.4 million active PMP certification holders as of 31st December 2023. Number 2 is CAPM. You have 68,000 odd people that are active holders of CAPM, which stands for Certified Associate in Project Management. This is followed by PMI ACP. ACP stands for Agile Certified Practitioner, not professional as you see on your screen. That's a mistake. And at number 4 is PMI RMP, a risk management professional, right? So this certification is for those who deal with risks or have a job title of a risk manager. And coming in at number 5 is PMI PBA, which is professional in business analysis. So if you're a business analyst, then this is the certification that you should go for. So these are the top 5 certifications in terms of popularity, in terms of the sheer number of certification holders. Now let's look at the least 5 certifications, right? Least popular. And coming in at number 5 in this list is going to be PMICP, which is Construction Professional in Built Environment Projects. This certification is very, very niche. It's catering to folks who work in the construction industry. So if you're working in the construction industry, if you're not a project manager, if you're a project manager, want to know more about how construction projects work, then this is the certification that you should opt for. But as you can see, there are only 103 active holders of this certification. And to be fair to this certification, this is fairly new as well. Now, coming in at number 4 is Disciplined Agile Value Stream Consultant. So PMI launched this series of Disciplined Agile certifications, and not all of them are doing pretty well. As you can see, Disciplined Agile Value Stream Consultant, you only have 125 active holders of this certification. Next in the list is Disciplined Agile Coach. You have just 217 people who have this certification. And then we have Portfolio Management Professional, PFMP. You have over 1,000 people, 1,700 odd, who are active holders of PFMP. Now, this certification is actually pretty difficult. So, someone who is a PFMP has high level of knowledge when it comes to project program portfolio management, that is for sure. But obviously, not a lot of people are active holders of PFMP. That's something to be aware of. Now, finally, one in this list, because this is like the most popular in the category of least popular certifications. This is Disciplined Agile Senior Scrum Master. So it's not DASM, which is Disciplined Agile Scrum Master. This is DASSM, which is Disciplined Agile Senior Scrum Master. So there you have it. These are the 5 least popular, and then these are the 5 most popular certifications offered by PMI. But don't go away. I have one more certification that I want to talk about today, and that is known as PMI Project Management Ready certification. As you can see, you have over 6,000 people who hold this certification, and this is basically a certification which is for students. So if you are a student, if you are in a college and you are interested in a career in project management, this is the certification that you should go for. And it develops your project management skills. It is going to serve students throughout their lives if you have project management skills, of course. And this certification is essentially a way for students to immerse themselves in project management industry and connect with the passionate community of the project management professionals that have all these certifications that we are talking about, right? So this is an entry level certification, and it is going to introduce you to project management fundamentals, core concepts, traditional plan based methodologies, which is like waterfall, then agile frameworks, methodologies, even business analysis is something that you will learn. And what is required here, you should have read at least at ninth grade level. You should possess fundamental literacy of computers, and you should be able to participate in training and take the exam for this certification. So this is definitely a certification that students should consider. And as you can see, I mean, it's not doing bad, right? You have 6,000 people who are already active holders of this certification. So definitely something that you as a student, if you are a student, you should consider. If you know students who want to get themselves in the world of project management, then definitely they should also go for this certification. Here, I would also suggest one of our training programs. It's a totally free YouTube video of 90 minutes. I'll share a link to that video in the description below. It's called PM 101. It's the most watched project management related video out there that is going to explain you just the basics, just the fundamentals to get you started. So do check that video out. And that's pretty much all that I had in this video. I hope you got value out of it. Definitely like, share, subscribe. If you like our work, consider contributing by heading over to pmclounge.com/contribute. Don't forget to check out our other videos as well.